Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the stress management and wisdom worker. Now, let's start the topic. What is the stress management? The stress management is the obvious, and employees have to adapt and to stress in such a way that they are no longer unaware of it. The companies can effectively and manage and stress by the removing the stress standards that and causes and needless and the tensions and job and burnout. Other stress and management strategy and may keep employees stressed and fit, but they don't solve the fundamental causes of stress. The organizations and manage the stress by the investigating the main cause of stress in their workplace. And other suggestions is to change the corporate culture and reward the systems and so they support a work-life balance and no larger and reinforce and dynamic functional and the work rhythms. And the more generally, the most the most and effective ways to remove and workplace and stresses is a empower employees and so that they have more and control over their the work and work environment. The role related and stresses and can be lessons and by the selecting and assigning and the employees to the positions that match their capabilities and noise and safety risk are stressful and so improving theirs and the conditions and world and minimize the stress in the workplace. The workplace and bind can be minimized and through clear and guidelines of behavior and feedback for those who infringe on those standards. Now, so let's start the figures and the statistic. The stress management strategy. The first is the remove of strangers and withdraw from the strangers and change standards and preparations and the control stress and consequences and receive social supports. Now, so managers have important and contributions. Managers have important and contributions in the identifications and interventions of constant workplace stress. Has recognized and three main strategies for reducing work-related stress. In the first strategy, and managers can help their employees to cope up with workplace stress is a changing the working conditions so that they are more favorable to effective copying and when the barriers are removed barriers are the removed and such as the workload and the environmental annoyance and the isolations and lack of autonomy and environment is created in which an employee can perform better. The second strategy to reduce and work related stress is the facilitated and the employees to improve and his or her and transactions with the environment. The managers and should provider and the worker and with the services such as and the issues that hamper and accurate appraisal of the situations. Moreover, and the such and the program will touch and with the employee have to utilize the behavioral and skills such as the implementations a new diet, the meditations and techniques and relaxation techniques in order to the reliefs and the physical and psychological efforts. The third strategy is to the assign and the employees recognize the stressful and relationship between the individual or group and the work settings and the developing a strategy to help and reduce the tensions in the applications. Okay, now let's discuss the wisdom work. Next, subheading. Okay, what is the wisdom work? The behavioral and science and author and the Daniel and Pink and the considered the progressions and of the wisdom work, in which book a whole new mind and why right and barriers will rule the world. He stated and that the futures and employees would require accomplished and storytelling skills. The wisdom work is a creative and minded individual and who work primarily in emotional creativeness. Now, their main skills is their ability to weave and the engineering and the narrative into their work. And engineering customers is necessity in the informations era as the all attentions and spines have ordinal and the rule and where wisdom workers and sign includes the advertisers and the web content and managers, social and media marketers and the public relations officers, market executives and many more. We have gone over and some of the characteristics of both, but what are their key benefits? Now, benefits of the knowledge wisdom. The knowledge economy is booming based on the intellectual and capital. The knowledge economy is the currently and forcing investing in the company and training and the further educations and boosts companies' assets. The more knowledgeable the employees, the more valuable they are. The considered Captain and Jack's Sparrow and his move of the unfairly paid ensure they could and research the control and set and the Lord its goal is a money, and but what is that they and this is sized on the control of the Apple's head office on the good and the gold and the world we in the heads of the software engineers and the app design etc. The knowledge workers created intangible assets, and this means they generated and whether for their companies the power is inside them. They are technical in natural the technical in nature, and software designing and the cyber securities, cloud and computing of designers and database administrator, website and developer. The list of the technology and jobs in endeavors and the with knowledge and workers possessing and technology mindsets, and they are more in the demand than ever and the before. They don't need and wisdom to survive. And the integration of the wisdom and the requires and knowledge and to survive and the survive but knowledge and does not require wisdom, and wise styles on the wisdoms and workers and incorporate experience, the judgment and the compassions, and they also have to consider knowledge, and without knowledge wisdom would not have any crowding in relatively, and this is the render it maintaining less. The thinking in these terms, the knowledge workers can pursue and their the work autonomously. This is a big and bonus for companies, and after all wisdom workers may have to reach and certain acceptance, and that knowledge workers and will already be knowledgeable in. It can also save a business money on training and the depth and scope of a wisdom, and workers may be vast, but it might and mean they are less and acquainted and with the certain topics. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. And if you have any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.